1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop here at Unique, especially in classics. Don't fall for this 327 badging on the front of this one. Blueprint 400 cubic inch, 525 horse V8 underneath the hood. More modern transmission, also 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive, has a shift kit, nicely equipped underneath the hood. We're going to get into that in a little bit. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, beautiful serpentine belt set up underneath there. Take a look at the chrome up front, headlight surrounds, grille, looking good. Ghost flames on this green metallic. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pics. You can call us 507-386-1726. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Riding on American Racing, polished wheels, BF Goodrich radials. You can see slotted and drilled rotors behind there. Brakes are like new all the way around, noted by the tech. You can also see it does have tinted side glass and rear glass. So know your local and state laws as far as the window tint that you can have, the percentage of it, the darkness. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Paint has a nice shine to it. Like I said, a green metallic, cool, subtle ghost flame to it. Couple imperfections here or there where there might be a light touch up, if you can kind of see that. But overall, this car will turn some heads. Black vinyl top. We're going to start it up, let you hear it running a bit. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. I'll get into a few more details. You can see these panels nice and straight. Paint's put on there very well. True dual exhaust, front to rear. Chrome in the rear bumper also looking good. So make you chuckle. FYI, the lettering is vinyl. If you wanted that taken off the rear window, you can take it off. It is a consignment car. We're going to leave it on. That'll be at the discretion of the next owner. But like I said, it can be taken off with a razor blade. It's vinyl. Not a problem. All right, a few things about the rear of this car. It does have coilovers in the rear, QA1 up front, 12-bolt rear end with 355 rear gears. There's also some QA1 rear suspension components, tubular control arms up front. Check out the underside pictures. You're going to be able to see what I'm talking about. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see in the trunk, interior, engine bay. And if you stick around at the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. As we take a look down this driver's side, you can see, again, paint shows well. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you're into Chevelles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right up our showroom floor. And again, you can see that driver's side, nice and straight panels, paint, nice shine to it. Let's take a look at this interior. So cloth buckets, center console, horseshoe shifter, warning chimes still working like new. Pull that key so we don't have to listen to that. Door panel, good shape. Tilt column, Grant GT steering wheel. Carpeting looks good. Seats free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Aftermarket tack and stereo. Let's fire this thing up. Again, 400 cubic inch blueprint engine, 525 horse. Holley 4-barrel HEI ignition, aluminum radiator. You're going to see that when we pop the hood. Good looking gauge cluster. The clock is working. That was a cold start. You can see the temps down. Battery, fuel gauge, and oil pressure. Radio is powered up. Rocket tack, and that is also working, it appears. Off the top of the dash. Top of the dash looks good. You can see on this radio here a second. Let's find the station. Radio working. Sounds good. Good throttle response too. That door closes very nice. Let's listen. That one's sounding healthy. No doubt about that. Let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. And like I said earlier, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. And here we go. There's that blueprint engine. Headers, aluminum heads, serpentine belt system. Great looking engine bay. Aluminum radiator. Getting that Holly 4-barrel. AGI. Battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage in between drives. AC blows cold. 525 horse. '68 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle, green with a little bit of ghosting flames. Strong running car. The AC is blowing cold in this car. We have an automatic with a horseshoe shifter, which is desirable. Nice Grant GT steering wheel with wood on it that looks good against this color car. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Panels look new to me. Headliner also very nice. Acceleration is good in this car. Our battery gauge is right in the middle of the gauge. We do have a clock at the center, and that is ticking. Pretty cool design. Large clock in the middle and all the other gauges surrounding it. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. The temperature gauge is a little under half, and the oil pressure is at 3/4 of the way up. That is looking good. Cloth bucket seats up front, very comfortable. Sound system by Clarion.
So we're just gonna keep going in the middle.
Pretty good clarity. We have kick panel speakers mounted down below. The AC is blowing cold in this car. The wipers work. It is well equipped for cruising. Brakes nice and smooth. Looks like a car ready to cruise the strip at night. Look for someone to race. That's what it looks like to me. Corners well. A very fun 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.